विघ्नध्वांत निवारणैकतरणैर्विघ्नाट विहव्यवाड विघ्नव्यालकुलाभिमान गरुडो विघ्नेव पंचाननः विघ्नो तुंगगिरिप्रभेदन पविर्विघ्नाम्बुधैर्वाडवो विघ्ना गौदगन प्रचंड पवनो विघ्नेश्वर पातु नः विघ्नेश्वर पातु नः विघ्नेश्वर पातु नः. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Mahagणपतये Namaha. Saraswate Namaha. Now we are going to do the 12 Rashi predictions of your 2021 year. How it is going to be. What is there for the future for you. Now this prediction is based on your birth Rashi, which is like Janma Rashi, what we call. Moon Rashi, based on the Moon Rashi. If you do not know your Moon Rashi, please visit mypanchang.com and click on astrology. Then you click on Vedic astrology and you can enter your birth date, birth time, place of birth. It will give you your Janma Rashi, and that Janma Rashi will be the Moon Rashi. Whatever Rashi the Moon is, it's based on, it's called your Janma Rashi. Now, certain parts of India, they name their baby based on their moon Rashi. So, for example, those who are having their name start from letter A, La or E, their Rashi is Aries or Mesha. Or those who are born from March 21 to April 20, their sun sign is Aries. They can use their sun sign also, but for more effective prediction, they can combine their Chandra Rashi and Surya Rashi. They will be give the effective predictions. Also, combining with your ascendant sign and Janma Patri will definitely help you a lot, because the only professional astrologer can weigh everything into consideration and tell you it is going to be good for you or not with the effective predictions. Also, combining with your ascendant sign and Janma Patri will definitely help you a lot, because the only professional astrologer can weigh everything into consideration and tell you it is going to be good for you or not. For the Mesh Rashi, this year you will have health issues, fever, headache, control your anger. You may have unnecessary rift with your spouse and business partner. Be careful in land deals. Don't do very quick decision as far as land is concerned. Don't haste. Mother's health can bring some worries. After 21st February, your expenses will increase. Try to control your desire to eat out and spend money unnecessarily. You need to watchful of what you speak. Your words might be harsh. This could lead to problems in domestic life. You will feel your desires are unfulfilled, unhappy. Avoid wandering about and avoid arguments with seniors at work. However, you need to be careful throughout the year as Shani is transiting from your 10th house. Your boss may give you hard time and honor could be at stake. There will be some relief between April 13 till June 1st. If you remain dynamic and energetic and proactive at work, from June 1st till July 20th, avoid eating and drinking alcoholic beverages, hot, spicy food, and fried food. That can cause trouble to your stomach. So there is a problem. You can have upset stomach during this time frame. Avoid doing any land deals during this time. Don't decide anything very quickly as far as your land or property is concerned in buying and selling. July 28th to September 5th, avoid doing any speculative business activities like stock market or lottery. You will have a trouble differences of opinion with your children. If you have any medical issue, surgery might be required during this time. However, during this time you will see, and also you will get some help from middle of nowhere. So this is good time because of the Jupiter is going to help you a little bit. September 5th till October 21st you will gain over your enemies and there will be some financial gain, but don't get carried away too much. Right after October 21st you will have disagreements with co-worker partners and a spouse. If you're traveling, be careful about your luggage and vehicle accidents. You will be more watchful after December 4th about vehicle accidents. Actually, you need to be more watchful about the vehicle accidents after December 4. Increased expenditure and blood related problems. Overall, you need to be careful about your health this year. You may meditate, worship Lord Hanumana, Rudra, or Kartikeya, Lord Subramanyam, and Lord Narsimha. For Vrishabh Rashi, those who are born between April 21st to May 28th, their Surya Rashi or sun sign is Taurus or Vrishabh, or those whose names start with letter Ba, Wa, or U, their moon Rashi is Vrishabh. Now, this year begins with higher expenditure, health issues, sometimes dishonor and humiliation, but Jupiter will be rescuing you. If you are a writer, you will make good gains, but watchful about hidden enemies and very sweet friends. Control your anger. Try to avoid heated arguments with family members. Your word will not be taken lightly. However, you will have a higher expenditure, but Jupiter will give you good gains. After April 30th, you will have to balance really well. You will see financial gains, increased confidence, but at the same time, trouble from remote places, from higher ups. Make sure to take advice from your mentors and follow it. You will likely to spend money on auspicious occasion, long distance travel. If you are planning to change jobs, then hold off till September of this month. You will be worried about mother's health in June, July. Hold off any property dealings till July 20th. If you are appearing for any higher education or competitive exam, you will need to prepare well. Don't take things lightly. From September 5th onwards, there will be differences with children, but Jupiter will be your savior. Still avoid speculation or desire to make quick money. Things will improve after October 21st in terms of finances, promotion. But again, from December 4th till year end, you need to hold off your anger, else you may have a heated discussion with your partner, spouse, and family members. So, in general, this year you will have a mixed year for Vrishabh Rashi or people who have a Taurus sun sign. You need to work hard, follow advice from somebody who is really really good mentor or father or mother for that matter, that will sail you through. For you, worship of goddess Durga will help you, or Mahadev will also help you. Durga, Mahalakshmi, Saraswati, that will be your goddess to worship this year. For Gemini or Mithun Rashi, those people who are born between May 21st to June 20th, their sun sign is Gemini. And those people whose name start from letter Ka, Cha, or Gha, their moon Rashi is Mithuna. Now, the Gha is not G, it's GH, Ghar Ka Gha, basically. So, anyway, coming back to your 2021, Rahu in the 12th house will give you mental worries. So, please don't invite any additional worries by poking your nose into matters not related to you. Shani in the 8th house causing 250 years panoti or the bad time can cause health related issue. However, you will ride on some gains during the beginning of years, make new friends, you will get new loans after February 21st. You will have a higher expenditure, hospital visit or foreign travel that could lead to some losses or with some medical issues. Be careful not to travel until April 30th if possible. After that, you need to control your emotion and resist making quick decisions. Migraine could be painful. If possible, try to avoid arguing with your mothers. And if you are a student and appearing for an exam, think twice before answering questions. After June 1st, your words will hurt your family. So, if possible, try communicating with a cool head. Your expenditure will rise. Your cash flow will hurt a bit. After July 20th till September 5th, you will get success. But you will need to work hard, put in overtime, and you will succeed. Till October 21st, you need to resist your temptation to make property deals. Drive carefully. You may develop chest burn. Mother's health will need checkup after October 21st. You will have some issues with relations with your child. Avoid any speculative contracts, deal, or business. After December 4th, you will rock. Your hard work will be recognized, but Rahu will create mental agony, pressure, etc. Worship Lord Shiva, Durga will help. Also, removing your ego, arrogance will help a lot. So, the best thing is not to have your head filled with arrogance. That is the best advice for you. And if you travel, be careful. You can get hurt. Those who are born between June 21st to July 22nd, their sun sign is Cancer or Kirk, are those people whose names start from letter D or H, H basically. Their moon's Rashi is Karka. Rahu in the 11th will give you new friends, success with hard work, but please don't feel arrogance in your head. Saturn transits will give you problems, struggles with your child, and if you are dealing with stocks, resist temptation for quick money as Saturn wants you to have some patience. Don't do quick decisions. You will get promotions, your boss will be very happy with you at work and will have a good rapport with your colleagues. After April 13, you may face some humiliation or dishonor if you didn't pay attention to your documents, email, communications before April 13th. You will have some blood related issues, hospital visit, high expenditure. You will feel like in the middle of nowhere. Your hidden enemies will see this an opportunity to hurt you, but Rahu will save you. Things will improve after September 5th, where you will shine again if your communication is very, very good. You may have to travel to some place for work. After October 21st, your stomach problems will give you worries, doctor visit, frequent heartburn. If you're trying to deal in properties, you can have some gain after December 4th. Some more gains in stocks, but don't do speculations. You will hear good news with your child, but you need to make sure their health is well and don't push to do more work. Your Rashi Lord is Chandra, worship Bhagwati Mata or Mata Rani or Lakshmi Mata or whomever you revered most. Even helping mother is also a very good thing. So that will be beneficial for you. For those who are born between July 23rd to August 22nd, their sun sign is Leo, Simha Rashi, or those whose names start from letter Ma and Ta. Ta is in Tom, not the softy. The softy is Ta. This is Ta, Tom, and M. So Rahu in 10th house is good for work, career, but with some additional worries and expenditure. It may bring some sleep disorders, Saturn favoring you too with respect to your job and career. But if you are a business owner, it will bring some worries and troubles related to your employees. March till February 21st will give you some trouble with your father or his health, may give you worries. If you are doing post graduation higher studies, that is the time you need to pay attention. Some legal troubles. If you are traveling, it could be painful travel. Things will improve after February 21st. You will have a good time for job, career, good time for change of job. This is a very good time. If you are looking to get married, there is a great chance you will find some loved ones sooner before September 14th. After June 1st, your hospital visits may increase, or you may have some trip to a remote place for meditation. Your health problems will increase, headaches, migraine, etc. Try to avoid any heated discussions with your spouse or co-workers, partners after September 5th. Your expenditure will definitely increase. After October 21st, again you will ride on success wave. Very good time. December will bring property related issues and issues related to your mother health. Don't party too much, otherwise stomach issues will cause more grief. Your Rashi Lord is Surya, so chanting Gayatri Mantra will definitely help a lot. Lord Vishnu's puja will also help a lot. Those who are born between August 23rd to September 22nd, their Rashi is Virgo or those who are named from letter Pa, Tha, Ana, their Rashi is Kanya. So if you are planning for a foreign visit, this is the right time. Good for higher education, following your spiritual dreams, but you will have a bad time for parents gain from government or legal bodies. Year will begin with some chance of accidents, cuts, wounds, etc. Some blood related disease or issues. Drive carefully, you will have a mental worries, lots of mental tension. However, Jupiter will save you at the last moment. Things will improve after April 13th, where you will shine. Your worries will be gone. You will outsmart your enemies and you will triumph at work. Promotion, recognition, and command respect from everyone. You'll be free from worries. You'll need to take proper rest and not eat any spicy, oily food. Otherwise, after July 20th, you will have doctor's visit, stomach related issues. Some humiliation at work. So you need to pay attention when you had a success. Read your email, write your email, don't do anything in hurry, otherwise you will have a problem. Mars is wants you to take some time and read carefully and do your work proper. Otherwise it can cause some humiliation at work later on. Hence, when you have a good success time, make sure you don't mess up. Don't take things too lightly with respect to work, with troubles during the later part of the year. Jupiter will be your savior till September 14th. Somehow you will get some help from someone at the 11th hour. 11th hours is like if you are going somewhere and some goon comes and with the gun and ask you for everything whatever you have, but suddenly you will hear some police siren and they run away. So that is help from someone at the 11th hour. After September 14, migraines, pet with family member, spouse can happen. Just be careful not to use harsh word because words are sharper than sword. Things will get better after December 4th. Overall, this year you will have a child worries, their studies, and with the long term investment, your low capital mutual funds companies will do well. Your Rashi is Kanya, though, so the Kanya Rashi is Budh. You can worship Lord Buddha or Lord Vishnu because Buddha's Adidevata and Pratyadidevata both are Lord Vishnu. Chanting mantra like Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya or Om Namo Narayanaya will sail you through. Those who are born between September 23rd to October 22nd, their Rashi is Libra, or those people whose names are from letter Ra and Ta. Ta is soft T, like Rahu transiting over your eighth house. This is a good time for any sudden gain, but bad for health and court matters. Don't drag yourself into unnecessary court matters if it doesn't involve you. Watch out from your latent enemies. Don't fight or enter into verbal spat with your spouse, partner, or colleagues. If you act like a Rambo and don't take care of yourselves, your health things will be bad after February 21st. Resist your temptation to travel, eating out, and if you are drinking and smoking, it will have a very bad negative impact on your health. So, this is a good time to give up drinking of alcohol and smoking. This is a perfect time actually for your health, at least. You will have some legal trouble and some travel after April 13. This is a good time for your parents. So try to resist the temptation to travel. Jupiter will protect you from negative effects during this time. You will have a success after June 1st. All success, money, reputation, promotion, awards, rewards will be on table for you. What's more, many planets are going to help you. The word of caution comes after September 5th. Your health trouble will increase if you do any long distance travel after September 5th. It may lead to some unpleasant experiences, hospital visits, etc. Higher increased expenditure, loans and debts will increase. Worshipping of goddess Mahalakshmi will help you sail through troubles. One more thing, if you're a student, don't take things too lightly with respect to studies. Those who are born between October 23rd to November 22nd, their sun sign is Scorpio. Or those whose name begin with letter Na and Ya, their Rashi is Vrishika. Moon Rashi is Vrishika. You need to watch out for disagreements with your spouse, co-workers, and partners. Try to avoid ego and arrogance, then you will sail through. Think before you speak. Your travel to foreign countries or distant land could bring some losses or unpleasant experiences. Saturn is there to help, but the help will be slow. Sometimes you'll feel no one is there helping you, no one is around. This year will start with gaining respect in society, winning over enemies, and success at work, but you'll need to watch out for your anger more after February 21st. Make sure it doesn't hurt you. Treat everyone with respect and the way you would like to be treated. Words can be sharper than anything in the world, so watch out your words before saying a thing. Drive carefully after April 13th. Watch out if you are dealing with cooking, driving. If you have a blood related health problems, they will be aggravated. After June 1st, in competitive exams, you need to study hard. Don't take things for granted. Pay your taxes on time and make sure there is no mistake. An audit alarm could be triggered. Things will get better after September 5th till October 21st. You will have all the success and support you need to be successful. Honor, success, promotion, everything. After October 21st to year end, watch out for health. So work out now, eat well, do meditation, and that's all you need is do meditation throughout the year to sail through. And your Rashi is Vrishika. Vrishika Rashi Lord is Mars. Mars main Adhisthata Devata is Subramanyam or Kartikeya Swami. You can worship Kartikeya Swami, Subramanya, or Lord Shiva or Lord Vishnu. They will help you sail through. Lord Krishna. Radhe Radhe. Those who are born between November 23rd to December 22nd, their sun sign is Sagittarius, or those whose name start from letters B, D, F, D, their moon sign is Dhanush. Again, you can check mypanchang.com, enter your birth date, birth time, place of birth, and you can get your moon sign. That will be the correct then using one from the name letters. You will have a financial gain this year and health benefits. There will be some hiccups, but nothing that you can deal with. You will trim over your enemies over all good periods. If you are planning to adopt a child from foreign countries, you will hear good news and legal formalities will be completed within age. These all things can be slow as you are running the last part of the Saturn 7.5 years Sadesati. However, from beginning of the year till February 21st, you will have a child related worries along with investment in stock market. If you are planning to invest for IRA, try to do it after February 21st, and that will also ease your other worries. Win and conquer everything till April 13th. But after that, watch out for a spat with your spouse, partner, colleagues. Your travel could be painful. Your health will require more attention. After June 1st, avoid any speculative activities, eating fried food, spicy food. Watch out for your father's health. Watch out your own physical ailments. There will be worries. There could be some audit could be triggered during this time. But remember, your planets are on your side. Shake off your worries and do more meditation. After September 5th, we'll ride waves of success, honor, and promotion. The year end after December 4th will bring some hidden enemies into limelight and they can succeed if you aren't watchful. The year Rashi is Dhanush. So Dhanush Lord is Guru. So worshipping Jupiter or Guru will be really very good for your success throughout the year. Makara Rashi. Those who are born between December 22nd to January 19, their sun sign is Capricorn. And those whose name start from letter Kh and J, J as in Japan, their moon sign is Makara. This year will be good for income and trade, but not good for children and love. You will need to balance between income, trade, and family life. You are running into the second part of the 7.5 years of Sadesati. This will bring worries, mental pressure from co workers or boss. You need to pay special attention to your work career. If you take things lightly, then this could be troublesome for your job. However, Jupiter will help between April to middle of September, but this help can be at the last moment. Still, you will go through troubles. Only hard work can make you shine. Avoid arguments with your mother till February 21st. That doesn't mean you will argue after 21st. Don't argue with your mother. But if you argue more, it can affect her health. Also, you need to make quick money uh, in dealings with the property. So you can still make some quick money in dealings with property if your planet at the time of birth favors you. Avoid eating some outside food. Street food, this can upset your stomach or blood related problems. After April 13th, make sure you don't speculate. Avoid speculative stock exchange deal. Your expenses will be high. After July 20th, you will shine with your communication skills. You need to work on polishing them from the beginning of the year. If you are a writer, you may get some award. You will get some courage and confidence. You will succeed in new endeavors. You will win over your enemies. You will get promotion in your job. After September 5th, your family troubles will increase. Control your anger and watch out for your health. Eat well. From October 21st till year end will be yours if your planets at the time of birth supports you and you are ready to work hard. If you are ready to work hard, this will really help you. Your Rashi Lord is Shani, and you need to worship Lord Shani. This is a good time if you are traveling to Shani Shingnapur temple. It will really help you, or any Shani temple for that matter. You can do Rudrabhishekam also. And more than that, Shani loves hard work, help old people, people who are disabled. Don't make fun of them, and don't. So make sure you help old people because Shani is a karma pradhan, and those who help old and disabled and pay attention to their work, they will never have any trouble as far as Shani is concerned. Aquarius, those who are born between January 28th to February 18th, their sun sign is Aquarius. Or those whose people names start with letter Ga, Sa, Sha, Sha. Their Rashi, moon Rashi is Kumbha. So you are in the first phase of Sadesat. If you are lazy, this is miserable period for you. You will be into depression, lose job. But if you work hard, paying more attention to the quality of work rather than the quantity of work and all facets of the work, you will succeed. Otherwise, this period can also bring other issues like immigration related problems. If you file your H1B or green card papers, this can be delayed with some queries. Worship Lord Hanumana and Shani Dev for remedy. Rahu transiting over your fourth house doesn't give you good news for land property and mother's health, along with problems at job. Importantly for graduate studies, you will have some relaxed time from beginning of the year till February 21st. Another good time will be from July 28th till September 5th. After that, you will have a work pressure. Other things will lead to disputes with your spouse, business clients, managers, etc. with your employees. The ray of hope is from December till end of the year. You will need to worship Lord Hanumana for remedy. हनुमान चालीसा विल बी रियली गुड फॉर यू दे से जो शत बार पाठ कर कोई छूट ही बंदी महासुख होई सो यू नीड टू chant Hanuman Chalisa as much as possible. For those who are born between February 19th to March 20th, their sun sign is Pisces. And those whose name starts from letters the, cha, tha, ja, their moon Rashi is Meena. This is highly favorable period. Good relations with spouse, gain from spouse and from international foreign business, friends, relatives. You will have a great job satisfaction. You will get promotion, recognition, possible addition to the family. Jupiter will help you from the beginning of year till April 13, and then from September till November. Um when you ride on waves of success, remember they are waves, they rise and fall. Likewise, you need to work hard and make sure you don't become lazy. This will help you in long run. Your year will start with some higher expenditure, family spats, but then after April 13 till June 1st, you will have your way, peace and prosperity. But again, till September 5th, you will need to pay attention to your land and property dealings. Mother's health. If you are a student, then study well, don't take things lightly, especially if you are appearing for competitive exams. July 28th to September 5th, you will have a success, promotion, and everything the way you want. Then till December 4th, you will need to take steps carefully to avoid losses. Drive carefully, but remember, December will be good again. So, this year is overall very good. There will be some hiccups in between, but nothing is stopping you. And your Rashi is Moon. Your Rashi Lord is Guru. Worship Lord Guru Jupiter, and you will sail through. You can also worship Lord Vishnu, Krishna, because Krishna is Jagat Guru. So, for Jupiter, people whose main Rashi Lord is Jupiter, they can worship Lord Krishna. And worshipping your family god is also very good. Do Sandhya Vandanam properly, and things will be very good. Feed cows. This is also very good because cows, what we say, is a representative of all the gods. So feed cows and help cows. That's it, and you will sail through every for this. This is applicable to each and every Rashi. Be righteous, work hard, do 100%, give your commitment to your work, 100% commitment. So, and then you will sail through. The quality of work is more important than quantity of work. Again, this is brought to you by Pandit Mahesh Shastri from the world leading astrology and Panchang website called mypanchang.com. Mypanchang.com is trusted widely by the priest by the priest living outside of India. MyPanchang.com prepares the Panchanga for the temples and the people living abroad based on their longitude and latitude. So please visit mypanchang.com and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and please feel free to share this.